In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload receipts in Xero step by step. This is a very important process for keeping your financial records accurate, organized, and easy to track later during reporting or tax time. Let's get started. First, log into your Xero account using your email and password. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll be taken to the main homepage where all your accounting features are available. Now, to upload a receipt, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a plus icon. This icon is used for quickly creating new transactions in Xero. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear showing different options such as invoices, bills, and expense entries. From this list, select Spend Money. This option is used whenever you are recording an expense that has already been paid or is being tracked from your bank account. After selecting Spend Money, the next step is to choose the correct bank account. This is important because Xero needs to know which account the money came from. Selecting the right account ensures your reports and reconciliations stay accurate. Once you've selected the bank account, you'll move on to entering the transaction details. This includes the date of the expense, the name of the vendor or supplier, and the amount spent. Take your time here because accurate information is essential for proper bookkeeping. You may also be asked to select a category or account code depending on how your organization is set up. This helps Xero classify your expense correctly for reporting purposes. Now comes the most important part, uploading the receipt. Look for the File Attachment option, usually found on the right-hand side or top section of the transaction page. Click on the File button, and this will open your computer's File Explorer. From here, locate the receipt you want to upload. It could be a PDF, image, or scanned document. Once you find it, select it and upload it into Xero. After uploading, you'll see the receipt attached to your expense entry. At this point, you can also add extra notes if needed. For example, you might describe what the purchase was for, or include any important context for future reference. Before finishing, always take a moment to double-check everything. Make sure the amount matches the receipt, the correct bank account is selected, and all details are accurate. Finally, click Save or Approve, depending on your permission level in Xero. This will finalize the entry and securely store it in your accounting records. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a receipt in Xero. This simple habit of attaching receipts helps keep your business finances clean, organized, and ready for reporting at any time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.